Welcome to this tutorial on how to set a stop limit order on Robinhood Options. A stop limit order is a type of order that allows you to set a stop price and a limit price for your options trade. The stop price is the price at which you want to trigger the sale of your options, while the limit price is the maximum price you are willing to accept for the sale. To set a stop limit order on Robinhood Options, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the Options Trading section. Select the options contract you want to trade and click on the Trade button. Choose the Sell option and select the quantity you want to sell. Next, click on the Order Type drop-down menu and select Stop Limit. This will prompt you to enter your stop price and limit price. The stop price should be set below the current market price if you are selling a call option, or above the current market price if you are selling a put option. For example, let's say you own a call option to buy 100 shares of stock at $50 and the current market price is $55. You want to sell the option if the price falls to $52, but you only want to accept a price of $51 or higher. In this case, you would set the stop price at $52 and the limit price at $51. Once you have entered your stop and limit prices, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Make sure you have selected the correct options contract, quantity, and order type. Also, double-check that your stop and limit prices are set correctly. Finally, click on the Confirm button to submit your stop limit order. Your order will be triggered when the stop price is reached, and the sale will be executed at the limit price or better. Best practices for using stop limit orders on Robinhood Options include setting realistic stop and limit prices based on the current market conditions, regularly reviewing and adjusting your orders, and using stop limit orders in conjunction with other risk management strategies. By following these steps and using stop limit orders effectively, you can help manage your risk and protect your profits when trading options on Robinhood. Remember to always stay informed and up to date with market conditions and adjust your trading strategy accordingly.